Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel a meeting on Google Calendar. So if you already schedule a meeting on your calendar, for example with your colleagues or partner, and you want to cancel the meeting, in this case, you can see on the August 31st, I've already have a meeting schedule and I want to cancel it because I cannot attend it. And here what you need to do is just click on the event. You can see there will be this pop up, and there also a Google Meet link because I'm doing the meeting via Google Meet. So if you want to cancel it, you can just click on this to delete the event or the meeting. And now you can see just like that the meeting will be canceled. But if you have for example someone on the Google Calendar also, for example like this, I'm going to click on the meeting. So if they are someone on here, if you share it with the others, if you add guests into the meeting, you need to notify them that the meeting is canceled because they won't know unless you notify them. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.